Working full-time but craving extra income? Here are 20 side hustles you can kickstart today without quitting your job. Write articles or copy for blogs and brands on platforms like Upwork. Teach subjects you love via Zoom or specialized platforms. Create custom designs to sell on tees, mugs, and more with no inventory hassle. Promote products online and earn commissions for every sale you generate. Help busy professionals with admin tasks remotely. Sell products online without managing inventory, using platforms like Shopify. Offer professional edits and career advice for job seekers. Create faceless videos using stock footage and AI tools. Design digital downloads and earn passive income on sites like Etsy. Earn cash caring for pets through apps like Rover. Help small businesses build their online presence. Lend your voice for ads, audiobooks, and explainer videos. Teach skills you're expert in and generate recurring income. Sell your photos to stock libraries and earn each time they're downloaded. Buy low, refurbish, and sell items on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Offer custom websites or digital redesign services for local businesses. Transcribe audio files for extra cash on platforms like Reverend. Share your opinion for money with trusted survey sites. Use your artistic flair to create logos, templates, and more. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Share your expertise and monetize through ads and partnerships. Pick one side hustle, start small, and build your extra income today. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips.